Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to decorate this acrylic shoebox right here. And we decided to keep it very simple. It's just the Roman numeral date on the top, along with it on the sides, and then this awesome label right here. So let's get started. So this is one of the boxes that we're going to be using. This is actually the smallest one, but it's going to be the same thing for the big one. So I'm just going to show how I made this one. And then I found these packs of hangers from Amazon, so I'll have the link down for you guys. But I'm only going to be using one of them. As always, I always like to start by measuring my actual items, and then in the computer, I know how big to make everything, and it'll fit exactly as it's supposed to. So we only wanted Mrs. Fam to go right here. So this measures about 2 by 4. So we would just make like a square that's 2 by 4. That way we know how big this is right here. Here I'm on Cricut Design Space, and I already made the hanger. So I'll show you guys how I did that. And this was my workspace. This picture I got right from Amazon, and I just uploaded it so we could see exactly how it would look. And this is the font she picked. And all of these fonts are from dafont.com, so if you guys want to look for them, they're all there available for free. And we're just going to enter the shape of the size of our work area, and that was 2 by 4. So then this is our work area. And so we want to make this as big as possible just to fit within our work area, like that. So then this is what we're going to be printing out. And these are just text of different fonts of her name, but we don't need that anymore. And again, we can just hide this. And entering text, of course, I'm just going to show you guys, it's really easy. Just here on text, you just enter whatever you want and then pick your fonts, and then you print. Okay, now we go over to make it, and I'll be printing this out in gold. And here we go, it has cut. So I'm just going to be unloading it. And I'm just going to be removing the insides of the letters just to make it easier on me because the lines are so thin. And here we go, I just removed the insides of the letters. Now we're going to grab our hanger here. Here's my transfer tape, and we're just going to put it right on the top. And I like having the grid so I can align it and then make it as straight as possible. So now we're just going to take our spatula and flatten it out. Now we're going to remove the white and leave all of the gold behind. And once we have this, we just put it right on top. So now I'll just be removing the transfer tape, and be careful not to lift anything. Just go nice and slowly. And now we just remove the gold, and be really careful, try to not lift the letters. And just like that, you see how easy that was? Now that the hanger is done, we can move to the acrylic boxes. And for the acrylic boxes, she actually provided these for me, and she said she got them from Walmart, so maybe find them there. But I did see some on Amazon. They're just not on Prime right now, so maybe they'll be on Prime later, but they're around $30. So as you can see, it just looks like a normal shoebox. And again, we're just gonna measure. And this is 12 by 9 by 6 1/4. And they asked me to make some sort of Nike label to go right here since this is a shoebox. And they actually placed the tape here for me, and when I measured it, it was about 5 inches by 2.5, so that's how big I'm gonna make the label here. So we already know this is 12, so we're just gonna measure how thick the lid is here. And that's about 1 1/4. Here I'm on Cricut Design Space again, and this is the shoebox. So remember how we measured? It's all going to be estimated though, it's not going to be exact. But this one is supposed to be 12 inches. This one's supposed to be 9 inches. And the top was again 12 inches. And she actually made some changes for this label, so I'm going to fix them and then I'll be right back. And she still wanted the Nike logo on the side, so we're just going to go on Google and look for it. This will work, so we're just going to save it. And this one already has the background removed, so it's perfect. And that'll probably just go somewhere here. Here we're using the font Vogue, also from thefont.com. And this is what she requested on the label, just the Nike label. It's Tina and Danny, OnlyFams, their dates, and their little logo with the shoe name. And here we are. This is basically how the box is going to look. So once you're happy with your design, you can just get rid of these boxes. They were just for references, and then just go ahead and cut out all your labels. So now I have some of my stencils done, and I'm just going to be placing them first. Okay, so I'm leaving the plastic just because I don't want to scratch it, but this will basically go right here. Next, we also have the date here, but we're going to put that right on the side here on the lid up here. So I have everything mostly on. I have the label here. As always, I just take out the insides, and then I do the reverse weeding. I'm a little nervous about it because of the little barcode, but we're going to see how it goes. And it's going to go over here since this is where the tape was. And here I have my label. And here you go, this is what it looks like. I put just a piece of paper behind it so you can see it better. So these are our finished looks. This is the hanger and our box. It came out so cool, I love it. Look at that label. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And please also head over to my Instagram and my TikTok for a lot more pictures and videos of my work. And thank you so much for watching.